The number blocks in a tornado. Oh, what a nice day. Look at the clouds. They're getting it thick. No! What are we going to do? Look at the tornado. Look at the quadratic term. Oh no! Oh no! Stop doing the domino fight. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're an hour. Oh no. Oh no. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh no! We're flying away! Oh, it's getting kind of hard to flow away. Ow! No! What? No! Why are you with the tip? Why are you with a mountain? No, what are we doing? Make that stuck. Make the shelter quickly. Huh? That's not even a shelter. What about this? Can be the shelter. Oh my no. No. Oh no. No, the tornado. Ah! No. Ah! No! I missed you, 18. Run! I have to run. There we go. Now we get to Dizzy. Let's start to stuck. No! The tornado! Ah! I was moving this way. Help! These are the pesky tornadoes. Huh? They don't made on the exit. What? That's double why? How is it How is it possible to get that in? Oh no! No! Oh no! See what just happened? Oh no! There are the tornado balls! A tornado! How is this the screw? It's there. How is that possible to survive in a tornado? Shut! No. Wait a second. The tornado. Wait a second. Is it gonna slow? Is it gonna slow down? That tornado. It made us slow down. No! Now watch out! I miss you, 12! Oh, no! The screen made us sit! I did a paw, 35. Wow, you did a paw. No, stop. Wait a minute, the tornado's not here. Rap. I'm so dizzy. Whoa. I wonder if I get so dizzy. Everybody's dizzy. Hey, get that linear term. I wonder if that was... No! Ow. inside of my building. That does not look like a circle to me. It does look like a circle.